Hey friends, it's me, ZiggyBop. Today, we're visiting the farm. Let's meet some of the animals who live there and say their names together. Let's go! Look at that big friend over there. She loves to munch on grass. It's a cow. Can you say cow? Cow! Marvelous! Great job! Let's find more! This pink buddy is having a blast on the farm. It's a pig. Can you all say pig? Pig! Ointastic! Let's find another one. Cluck, cluck. I hear someone singing over there. It's a chicken. Can you guys say chicken? Chicken! Excellent job, little chicks. Let's find one more. Oh, look at that fluffy white one. It's a sheep. Can you all say sheep? Sheep! Brilliant! You're doing amazing! You did such a great job meeting all the farm animals. Thanks for visiting the farm with me. See you next time. Bye!